So today we're going to be using a mat. We're going to be working on core, but we're actually going to be working on the lower back, an area that a lot of times is ignored. Like most Americans, I also suffer from back pain, and it's important for me to strengthen and also stretch that area. But I do want to express caution to any of you who struggle with back pain that if you perform these exercises that you do carefully and cautiously and only go to the level that works for you. There should not be any pain with any of these exercises that you are doing. So if you have your mat out, I want you to go ahead and lie down. You're going to lie down in your stomach. I want you to place your arms out in front of you. And so you're stretched out long. And the first thing I want you to do is I just want you to lift your left arm up. And hold it. Now press your pelvis into the floor. And you'll notice that you are working the back muscles right here and strengthening them. So go ahead and bring that arm down. And now bring the right arm up. Pressing that pelvis into the ground. Now you may just be bringing the arm up just a little bit off the ground. A progression is higher, but that is individual and depends on what works for you. Release that arm. So this time I want you to bring your left leg up. Toe is pointed. And it can be just slightly off the ground, or a progression is to raise it up. Now keep in mind, the higher your leg is up, the more pressure it does put on the lower back. And hold. Let's make sure you're not holding your breath. Release. Let's move to the right leg. And release. So this time we're going to go to left, raise your left arm up, and your right leg. And hold. Feel free to release and take a break anytime that works for you. And left arm, right leg goes down. So this time, right arm up, and left leg. And release. Now let's take a break and take a stretch. So just really release the muscles in the lower body. Just let them relax. And if you want a deeper stretch, you can come up on your elbows. Now how to progress this stretch. The farther away is going to be a modification. The farther away your arms are from your body. A progression would be moving your elbows into your body. And just let your muscles relax in a nice stretch. Okay, let's release that stretch. So arms and legs out straight. This time bring both your left and right legs up. And I want you to tap your toes together for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Now when you do the release, do a full release so you can relax. Left, right leg comes up, hold, toe taps for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. And take a few breaths. We are now going to alternate left arm, right leg up at the same time, and then right arm, left leg. So let's start with left arm, right leg come up, release, right arm, left leg, release, left arm, right leg, release, opposite side, release. So we're going to stay with this. For those who want a progression, we're going to move into swimmer. And what swimmer is it's faster. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Let's come on up into that back stretch again. So we're just going to go into some stretches now. Back stretches are really, really important if you have back pain. At least I know they are for me. And so we're going to move into cat-cow. Now for those of you who it's uncomfortable to be on your knees, I'm going to show you how to do a standing cat-cow in just a minute. But I am going to first show the cat-cow on your knees, so gently roll over to your side and using your arm that's on top, push yourself up. And so this is going to be cat-cow on hands and knees. Hands are right behind shoulders or underneath shoulders. Knees are underneath hips. Cow is bringing your stomach towards the ground, raising your eyes up to the ceiling. Cat, arching that back, really pushing your hands into the mat. So slowly at your own pace move through that. For those of you who need a cat-cow, now please stand up and I'm going to show you on my knees because of where my camera's at. So standing up, when you do a cow, you want to press your chest and look gently up to the ceiling, and then a cat, arch that back, and chin comes down the chest. So go ahead and move slowly through that a few times. And let's do 2 more. And last one. So those are some exercises and stretches to help strengthen the back. Thank you for working out with me. Have a great day.